Hello, twin flame romance. The topic itself is, so mesmerizing. So, it is the romance with your eternal lover. So, it's a romance that is eternal, it doesn't end. It only grows as your relationship grows with each other and your relationship with divine. You will constantly rise and rise with your twin flame and ascend over the current realm, and you will also reach a point where you will be, that the state of nirvana that will happen with your twin flame. But till the point you get there, as you are making your journey, the process is going to unfold naturally for both of you together as you keep working with each other. But the point that I want to make you be aware that maybe you have understood that the kind of romance that is available now, like it is so fragile, like changing of people, and you don't feel connected after some time, and then you don't resonate with each other, and then you just try to stay away or you just break up. That is actually happening, or that might have happened with you in the past, because those relationship was not a eternal relationship. Divinely, those relationships were never designed to flourish. So you don't have to blame yourself that, or you don't have to feel bad about it, that some way you have lost the romance. Okay. When you are choosing your twin flame, yeah, you are getting into a phase of life where the romance is only going to increase infinitely. Okay. So the thing is, when you are in the separation phase, it becomes very difficult to even accept that the romance even exists, because all that you are feeling is pain of separation and all that rejection, and then you fall into the trap, maybe this relationship is like the few other relationship that you might have experienced, or you might have seen others going through that, and you believe that that is true, and that's exactly is happening with you. And if you are into this phase, that means you have a subconscious mind programming that romance fails after some time. Once you get into your domestic life, you just have to engage in the family life, around child, around your work, or around the domestic activities. But it's not going to happen the same way with your twin flame. That's why twin flame relationship is special, or it's unique. It's not special, it's unique, because that's the one connection that doesn't end. If you are like insanely not choosing, is not going to end anywhere. It will only keep growing and growing. So the romance with your twin flame is going to flourish. It is going to flourish each day as you keep go deeper and deeper with God, going deeper and deeper within your heart. Every time when I say heart, it is your actually heart chakra, because you are not only expanding the way your free will want you to expand, but you are now connecting with the life force energy. So you are now connected with the energy that is in the heart chakra, and as you keep healing, it's only going to increase. It doesn't have an end, it only going to increase. So with your twin flame, first thing, the romance is going to be very intense, and as you are going to ground it in the 3D life, you will start feeling comfortable, or like you will start feeling secure specifically, and then you will going to expand, like day by day it will be like, maybe both of you will be in the same room, and maybe you are not actually communicating through words, but energetically both of you will be in that vibration of romance. So that's the magic of twin flame relationship. And yes, even the sexual relationship is a part of your romantic relationship. So as you get into the deeper commitment of harmonious union, that would be a right state where you should engage in the sexual activity, because it's going to be very triggering if you are not in that state of harmony. So it will make you feel very rejected, but there is no point to block, because you don't know whether you have a block or not. So it is absolutely okay to safely explore that relationship with your twin flame only, and then keep going deeper and deeper. So at times when twin flames meet, it is not only a chemical reaction, it will happen in the on a level of chakra, on a level of kundalini. So you will feel, if you don't have any blocks in the sacral chakra, so you will feel very magnetized to each other naturally. And if there is any repelling force or any separation force that is acting between you, so it is always recommended that you start healing your sacral chakra. And as you will heal within you, you will see that reflection with your twin flame also. They will naturally heal, and then you will reach a state where it will be like, like there will be no barrier, there will be no self rejection, there will be nothing like, like someone is just enjoying physically. It will be like, it will happen on a level of soul, and that's why it is so fulfilling, like both the components of the same energy will be fulfilled. There will be nothing like, okay, it's done, like it's done, and like we don't feel like. Anyway, the natural initiation will happen both way, because that is the energetic connection, and you will be attracted towards each other naturally, if not if there is no blocks. So you don't have to put any effort, to make that event happen. Okay, it will just happen. It's like that. There will be no decorative syndrome, like romance patch, like you may be seeing around. Like something is not working out, so let's go out and try to settle it. It's not going to happen. That scenario is not going to happen in a twin flame relationship. You just have to do the inner work, and then you will come back into the flow of energy naturally. So it is absolutely recommended that throughout your twin flame journey, even from the beginning, during your separation, harmonious union, and later part, you will be able to sustain the ascension energy with your twin flame when you are constantly doing the inner work, and keeping your energetic connection with universe. Okay, because it's a very high state of vibration. Otherwise you will fall prey to the 3D life. Exactly. And twin flame relationship cannot be sustained in the 3D life. You will come to a position either like you have to go back to a soulmate if you choose that, but that's not going to complete your ascension. Like you will repeat that karmic loop. You will again go through that karmic cycle where you will suffer with any other person. There will be energy of betrayal, and then again you meet your twin flame, and then the roller coaster keeps continuing. So it is always recommended you rise above the roller coaster in the place of romance also, because there is a myth that like people are also having the belief that twin flame relationship is going to be like only spiritual, and we have a belief that in spiritual relationship you have to refrain from like the romance or refrain from the sexual life. That is not true with twin flame relationship. You actually, in a twin flame relationship, you actively engage and expand with your sexual energy, because your sexual energy is actually a spiritual energy. That doesn't happen only on the level of sacral chakra. It plays a great role in channeling and supports your creativity, your innovation, and attracting abundance also. So on a twin flame journey, it is recommended that you keep healing and keep your chakras active. Always stay in connection with life force. That's how you will be able to make it very normal and peace and loving. Otherwise, it will be a daily roller coaster and painful. So do the inner work, clear it, and enjoy the romance with your twin flame eternally. Thank you.